Alright, guys, wait a minute. Where's Kiwi?
I don't know.
Well, anyways, Kiwi.
Yeah! Please, no, Plata. Yes, no. Don't worry, I won't do it. I won't do it without you two!
Wait, what?
Yeah!
Don't flip us over. Don't do it. If I see you do it. Ah! Well, at least it's in a natural environment.
You're so fast.
Hey, ugly.
Want to go?
Great going, Plata. I didn't get to finish my rule. Plata, listen. You never let me finish the rules.
By the way, I'm the only one that can swim.
Okay, guys, we gotta get to the board. All right.
Are you just gonna leave them there?
No. Baby red goes on this one. Blueberry goes on this one.
Oh.
Little kiwi goes on this one. I gotta go get. No, you guys fell again. Okay. Maybe. Oh yeah, I gotta save Crankin. We gotta save Crankin.
Oh. The water is the best.
Okay, Crankin, you're safe. Oh god.
Hey, you just flipped it.
Okay, Crankin gets his.
Uncle Fred.
Crankin gets his own board. Crankin, you get to stay on your own
fat
board.
he needs his own board.
Okay, I'll hold him off on this board. All right, you guys keep him on that board, okay?
Yes, you three stay there, okay? Uncle Fred.
Yeah.
I think it's only Baby Red that can't swim. I have free. I'm doing.
All right, I'm gonna save. We gotta save it. Oh, okay. These guys are nearly cornered. Okay, we gotta get them back. Gotta get them. Grab them.
Flutter. You're the only good one I can really care about.
All right, guys. Blueberry.
Whoa.
Get on. Get on here.
No, we like to swim.
Oh yeah. We gotta save Little Red.
Swimming.
Okay. You guys stay. All right. You stay there. You stay there. All right, and I'm gonna go swimming.
Woo! And not just you.
What did you do?
Not that. Not.
Why do you not want to go swimming, Plata?
Yep. I'm the only real swimmer here. Oh God, it's so heavy. My face.
Your face. Okay, whatever. So, you guys. Okay, look. We have some specific rules for you guys. All right. Look, if you can't swim, don't go in the water. Just stay in the sport. I mean, you can surf with them. Come on. Uncle Fred, are you okay? At least if he dies, I get to be in charge. I mean, it wasn't just Will, for God's sake.
Really?
No, I actually put it for him, for my brother Red.
Oh my
he's lying. Yeah, stinky. I'm out of here. Hey,
Nearly killing me and Kiwi. When we don't care about.
Hey, Uncle Fred. Guys, we gotta make sure Uncle Fred's okay too.
Dude, die!
Stop drowning, Crankin.
I can hold my breath much longer than all you can.
Okay.
Die!
Are you okay, Uncle Fred? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Alright, good. Alright, you guys okay?
I'm alright. I don't think so much about Crankin.
Crankin, no, come on. Yeah. Let us save Crankin.
Yeah.
Guys, come on, we can't lose Crankin.
You alright now?
Hold Crankin down. Right.
Yeah.
Uncle Fred and Crankin are gonna stay in that board because they're passed out, and I guess all of us can play. Come on. Follow, guys. Let's go. Stop flipping them over! Okay, guys. Be careful. Seriously, who let them get down, alright? Every single time I cut the camera, all of you guys just disappear. So, little Kiwi, are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having lots of fun. My little feeties let me swim.
Oh god, Blueberry's under here. Save Blueberry. Yeah, flip the board over.
The hell is happening here?
Yeah.
I planned in, you never know which
Wait a minute, guys. Wait. As long as he's fat, he can float, right? So, I mean, we don't really have to put him on the board, so he can just, float on his own. Oh, Uncle Fred. Here we go, Uncle Fred. What up? Ah! Oh, guys, what happened? Little guys.
There's a hole in here.
Hey, guys, no. Don't push him over. No. You are not pushing him over.
Oh, look.
What are you doing?
Plata said he's gonna be my surfboard. Yeehaw!
I want to pet Plata. He's adorable. Who's my good little Plata? Who's my good little Plata?
Woo!
Oh, don't worry, guys. I'm gonna go say Crankin. Okay, guys. I got Crankin. Wait. Hey, leave the camera alone. Stay away from it. Okay, wait, guys. Who wants to use Crankin as a surfboard? Alright, I know it's mean, and I'm usually the mature one, but come on now. He's gonna wake up again. We might as well just... No, don't drown. We need
Who
to...
the hell said he was gonna wake up? Yeah.
No, don't drown him. Come on. Don't drown him. Do you need to drown him? Are you serious?
Oh, he smells bad.
Dad, it doesn't mean he deserves to be drowned. You guys are sickos.
Yeah.
Hey, Plata. Oh my God, Crankin, are you okay? You're so immature. Look, okay. Blueberry, you stay on there. Kiwi, you stay on there. Plata, not Plata, Baby Red, stay on there. Okay, we're all good. See, they're all safe. And Crankin, okay, I'm gonna put Crankin on the red one. Hey, be careful! You're gonna knock them down, Plata.
Oh, sorry, don't be knocked down.
No room. No
This
room.
is fun. We like surfing.
Come on, Crankin. I'm gonna get you.
Wee.
Crankin? Come on.
Go fun.
Yeah,
This is kind of fun.
I know it's fun. Right, Crankin? Yeah. Wait, did you just barely wake up? Yeah, exactly. Alright, well, let's go. Little guys? Are you guys over here? Can you guys come over here? So is it fun?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Plata. No! You're so immature, Plata. So immature. Whoa. Plata, easy there.
I'm in my natural habitat.
Come on, man. What are you doing? Why aren't you moving? Oh, Plata.
I'm peeing, man.
Oh, that's gross. Ah, what ball? I'm really relaxing right now. Oh, it's so fun. Hey, oh, wait, oh. Wait a minute, Plata. Who gives you the right to just do that to him?
What does it say that I can't?
I
look weird.
I'll fix your little... Wait. Plata?
What?
Can I give you pets? Plata is my favorite little animal. Who is my favorite little Plata?
Wanna go shopping?
Sure, let's go.
Wee!
Well, Mama's gonna go, so I'll see how Crankin's doing.
Nibble.
Oh, Crankin? What do you want, you stupid kid? Yeah. Hey, what are you doing to him?
Get down! No, yeah, nothing's happening.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, that's what all douchebags are.
Okay. No. Blueberry! Oh, Blueberry, are you okay? Blueberry, you okay?
Yeah. I've been in jail for so long.
You've been in jail?
I've been in jail. Wanna swim?
Alright, sure, let's jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, Plata. Hey, Plata.
No one's in the bucket.
Okay, we don't care who's in the bucket, but I came up with something cool we could do, alright? Come here. Okay, so I was thinking, what if we did a diving competition? Who can dive the best? So, I'll go first.
Oh, yeah, you'll go.
Woo! Hey! Be careful with these little guys, okay, Plata? Alright, well, I'm already in the water. So, you want to go, Baby Red? Okay. Yee!
Yeah, I bet I got this right, little brother.
Yeah, man, let's go.
don't want to go.
Go already! Ah!
Feedy, let me go again. He pushed me.
Fine, come here.
Why did you do that? Circles.
Keep
I'm
swimming.
seeing
Just keep
circles.
swimming. There we go.
I'm
Stop.
seeing
And
circles.
keep swimming. Okay, kiwi, blueberry. Yeah. All right. You guys, are you guys okay? Okay, Plata, come here.
Yeah.
You. I mean P-U. You stink.
Yeah.
Now, what are you doing?
Trying to steal floats. Yeah.
You're trying to steal the floats. Wait a minute, cranking, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go after him. Go get him. Get him.
Well, we should push me with the guy who I hate the most. Yeah.
Okay.
Go in. Going in. Yeah.
Going in. What? Well, wait, you're knocking the little guy through. Come on, Plata. Is it really that necessary?
Yep, now there's no way to get out.
Whatever. Alright, guys, well, was that fun in the pool?
Yes.
Alright. Plata, no one can see you. Come over here. So, guys, was it fun in the pool?
Oh, yeah, Willie.
Alright, well, we're gonna get out now,
I
alright?
feel skinny. I'm a dolphin.
Crank, was it fun for you?
Dolphin.
No! All I did was get jumped in and stuff.
Whoa!
Okay,
He's
well.
not coming up.
Well, since we all had fun, you guys want to go out now?
Can I have what?
Alright, guys, really?
I'm so dirty.
Just get out. Just get out. Kiwi, get out. Come on. Be mature about this.
The hell says I'm mature.
Just go, whatever. Just go in there. Okay, guys, so we're all gonna jump in the bucket, alright? Yeah, I made it. You guys go in there too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, me this thing for. I'm so thankful about it. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go in there. Whee! Oh.
Yeah. Time for the big man himself. Platypus.